Welcome again. So, I hope everything is fine with you. We have finished the good part of the tutorial doing the navbar. It's time now to move on to the next step and make the hero section. Before that, let me quickly ask you about your coffee. I'm sure it will add a great value to your morning. If you do not think so, then I'll be glad if you write a comment with the reason. So this is the timeline for building the hero section. As you see, we have sort of easy steps to do. Nothing is difficult when you split it into steps. We will start with putting the navbar and the hero section in the header, and we will make the header have a total height of 100 vertical height. Then we will give the header a temporary background in order to see the fonts and everything before we put our original background. After that, we will add the hero section HTML content to the HTML page. And when we finish that, we will go to adjust the hero content position. We will put the spaces, the position of the words and everything. After that, or the following step we will do is styling the H1, because we will have an H1 which consists of two fonts, one of them inside a span that we will see, which is a brand name. And after we finish styling the H1, we will style the P. After styling the P, we will style the button and we will style the header background, and this one will take a lot of steps, especially because we will use Illustrator, which is the core value of this course, which is a video that I recommend you to see because it will add to you a lot about your designing skills. And the other steps are loading right now, and after that we will set them together.